Hello, fellow green thumbs and gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to Bountiful Homestead, where we dive into the joys of gardening, one plant at a time. Today, we're rolling up our sleeves and getting our hands dirty as we prepare our gardens for the exciting spring planting season. It's that special time of year where we get to turn our winter dreams into spring realities, and I'm here to walk you through the steps to ensure your garden is ready to burst into life. First up, let's talk about cleaning up. Winter can leave our gardens looking a little worse for wear, with last season's debris and dead plants. Clearing out this clutter is crucial. It not only tidies up your space, but also helps prevent pests and diseases from taking hold. So grab those gloves and a garden rake, and let's get cleaning. Next, soil preparation is key. Your plant's health and productivity depend on the quality of your soil. Start by testing your soil to see what nutrients it might be lacking. This can easily be done with a home test kit from your local garden center. Depending on the results, you may need to enrich your soil with compost or other organic matter. This will improve its structure, fertility, and water retention, creating the perfect bed for your seeds and seedlings. Now let's not forget about planning. A well-thought-out garden plan can save you a lot of time and hassle later on. Consider crop rotation and companion planting to maximize your garden's health and yield. Think about what worked last year and what didn't, and plan your garden layout accordingly. Remember, some plants are best friends in the garden, helping each other grow better, while others, not so much. Once your garden is clean and your soil is prepped, it's time to start thinking about planting. But hold your horses. Make sure you're aware of the last frost date in your area. You wouldn't want a surprise frost to wipe out all your hard work. Use this time to start some of your seeds indoors or in a greenhouse, so they'll be ready to go into the ground once the frost danger has passed. Finally, maintenance is the secret ingredient to a thriving garden. Setting up a watering schedule, laying down mulch to retain moisture, and planning for pest control can make all the difference. And remember, a little attention goes a long way. Regular checks on your garden will help you spot and address any issues before they become big problems. And there you have it, folks. Preparing your garden for spring planting might require a bit of effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Imagine stepping into your garden on a bright spring day, surrounded by the fruits of your labor, both literally and metaphorically. So, let's get those gardens ready. And I can't wait to hear all about your gardening adventures. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So let's get planting, and I'll see you next time on Bountiful Homestead.